Morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Okay, shall we learn now accountancy? In accountancy, the sixth lesson, the retirement of a partner we are learning. In that one, second adjustment, the revaluation of assets and liabilities we were seeing yesterday, isn't it? We have done two problems there. There we have one more problem that we will see now. Okay. Chandru, Vishal, and Ramanan are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses equally. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 is as follows: furniture, machinery, sundry debtors, less provision, bills receivable, cash at bank, capital, bills paid. Ramanan retired on 31st March 2019 subject to the following condition: machinery valued at 1,50,000. Value of furniture brought down by 10,000. Provision for doubtful debts should be increased to 5,000. Investment at of rupees 30,000 not recorded in the books is to be recorded now. Here I will make you understand this one. Machinery is valued at 1,50,000. Already we have machinery 1,20,000. So how much is increased? 30,000. Okay, then furniture brought down by 10,000. So furniture is how much? 60,000. By means 10,000 only is reducing. Provision increased to 5,000. So total 5,000. Already 3,000. So 2,000 is increasing. Investment not recorded. So we have to, that is a profit item. Okay, so what we have to do? Pass necessary journal entries and prepare revaluation account. So we will do. First we will write the number. Okay, 6. Then journal entries. Journal entries. All the profit items we will write as one entry. Okay, first one machinery, then investment. So machinery account debtor, date column we have to draw. Okay, so machinery account debtor, then investment account debtor, to revaluation account. Increase in value of machinery and investment not recorded, now recorded. Machinery, how much is increasing? 30,000. Okay, 1,20,000 to 1,50,000. So only 30,000 is increasing. Then investment again 30,000 not recorded. So totally 60,000. Okay. Then another one, loss items. We should debit the revaluation account. Revaluation account debtor to furniture. Furniture how much amount? 10,000. Then to provision for doubtful debts. That increased to 5,000. Already we have 3,000. So 2,000 is only increasing. So 12,000 debit. Okay. Increase in provision for doubtful debts and decrease in furniture. recorded. Okay, then one more entry we need to prepare. We need to calculate. Here we can write the entry. Revaluation credit. So again we need to debit a revaluation account. Here 60,000, here 12,000. So 48,000 profit. To all the partners capital account. Here Chandru's account. Gross capital account. To Vishal's capital account. To Ramanan's capital account. Profit on revaluation transferred to partners capital account. 48,000 in this ratio. Old ratio how much? Equally. So 48,000 into 1 by 3. 1 3 is 3, balance 1, 18, 6. So 16,000 each. Now we will write the revaluation account also. You can use both the pages. Okay. To amount column. First entry, credit revaluation. So by machinery, by investment. Machinery how much? 30,000. Investment 30,000. The next entry, revaluation account data to furniture. Then to provision for doubtful debts. Furniture 10,000. Provision 2,000. Then to profit on revaluation. Transferred to partners capital account. Partners Chandru's capital. Vishal's capital. Ramanan's capital account. Amount in the inner column we have to write. Okay. 16,000. $48,000. So total 60,000. Now we will learn the next heading. Next adjustment. Calculating new profit sharing ratio. Third adjustment. New profit sharing ratio. In the admission, we have calculated the new profit sharing ratio in different situations. If the old and new profit sharing ratio given, then we need to calculate another ratio, that is called sacrificing ratio. Here we will have the gaining ratio. Here they do not need to sacrifice. Here they will gain something. There they will lose something. Here they gain something. Because when your partner retires, one partner is getting reduced. So the other partners will gain the profit sharing ratio. Okay, they will their share will get increased, not getting reduced. So that gaining ratio only we need to calculate at the time of retirement. Here, which ratio will be more? Because they gain something, the new profit sharing ratio will be more. Okay, so to calculate the gaining ratio, we need to deduct the old ratio from the new ratio. That is called gaining ratio. So we need to calculate the new ratio, and if they ask to calculate the gaining ratio, we should deduct the old ratio from the new ratio. Then they will get the gaining ratio or the share gained. Okay, why we calculate this gaining ratio? Because the person one who that goodwill must be paid to the retiring partner. Okay, so that goodwill may be shared by the old partners, existing partners. Okay, other than the retiring partner. There also the goodwill will be brought in by the new partner, that will be distributed among the old partners. Here the retiring partners goodwill that the other partners have to bear in this gaining ratio. Understand? They have to give the goodwill to the retiring partner. Okay. So, under the first circumstance, first situation, they may give the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, new ratio will be given. Old will be given and new will be given. So, what should be calculated? The gaining ratio will be calculated. So, gaining ratio is what? The new ratio only will be greater. Old ratio will be lesser. So, our new share minus old share, we will get the gaining share. That's all. Very simple. Okay, there also we have calculated. If they give the new ratio, we will calculate from the old ratio. They will calculate the new ratio. But here, we will deduct the old ratio from the new ratio. We will get the gaining ratio. Understand? So, we will see one illustration. Illustration 7. Kiran, Vinod and Vimal are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. Kiran retires and the new profit sharing ratio between Vinod and Vimal is 2.1. Calculate the gaining ratio. Share gained, we have to calculate new share minus old share. What is the new share? 2/3. Old share, we know the second partner, 3/10. So LCM 30, 2/3 into 30, how much? 10. 10 into 2, 20. Then 3/10 into 30, 3. 10, 30 we will cut 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 sign minus. Okay, 20 minus 9. We will get 11. Then Vimal, the same way we have to calculate. Okay. So, we will do the one exercise, the same exercise 7. Okay. Exercise 7. The same question they have asked for 2 marks. Okay. New ratio given, old ratio given, gaining ratio. Very easy. Kayal, Mala and Neela are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. Kyle retires and the new profit sharing ratio between Mala and Neela. Kyle retires. They have given the wrong name. Mala and Neela is 3:2. Calculate the gaining ratio. We have to do in the same way that we have done the calculating new profit sharing ratio in admission. Okay, the same way that we have done in the admission time. First we have to particulars, then partners name. Okay, Kyle, Mala, Neela. Here 3 partners there. Kyle, Mala, Neela. Here old ratio. Two is to 1. Old share 2/5, 2/5, 1/5. Then new ratio 3:2. Who has retired? Kyle. So now Mala and Neela. 3:2. So new share 3/5 is to 2/5. Now the question is to calculate the gaining ratio. So first we will calculate the share. Okay, gaining share is equal to, which will be more, new share. Okay, so new share minus old share. Here not for Kyle. Okay, what is the new share? 3/5 minus old share 2/5. Okay, is 2. Here old new share 2/5 minus 1/5. Here 5 same. Okay, 3 minus 2. LCM no need to calculate. Denominators are same, so the numerator we should write as it is. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 is to 1/5 is to 1/5. So what is the new gaining ratio? The same method you do. Don't follow the method given in the book. Okay, this will be easy for you. 1:1. Okay. Now we will see the next situation. Now the new ratio is given. Okay, we are calculating only the gaining share and ratio. Now when the new ratio is not given, second situation. Okay, when new ratio not given. Okay, when the new ratio is not given. When the new profit sharing ratio is not given, what we have to do? Here, if the new ratio is not given, what they will give you? The gaining share. There we have studied the sacrificing ratio given. Here, the gaining share will be given. Maybe in a proportionate. Or here, now only one partner only will gain the whole share of the retiring partner. Here only one partner is gaining the share of the retiring partner. Simply that we have done there also. Here we need to add the share along with the old share. He will get the new share. Okay, so new share means what? How to calculate new share? Old share plus gained share. Okay, what he is getting, we have to add along with the old share. He will get the new share. The other partner is not gaining anything. So the same will be his new share. Okay, we will calculate. Shall we see the illustration? Eighth. Okay, eighth illustration. Arya, Benin and Charles are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:3:2. Here Charles retires, third one. His share is taken up by Arya, the first one. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Okay, in the same way we have to do. You write all the partners' name first. Then one partner retires, you have to do dash. Then that share gained. The full share is gained to the, to whom, who is retiring, Charles retiring, taken up by Arya. So we have to add his share to Arya. See, 2/8. We are adding and getting. The Benin, he is getting the same old share. Okay. You will see that exercise. Very easy one. That's why I am not explaining much for you, because already we have learned this one in the admission. Okay. So, eighth exercise. Sunil, Sumadhi, Sundari are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:3:4. Sundari retires and her share is taken up entirely by Sunil. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. First you write all the partners' name. Okay, Sunil. 8 number we have written. 3 column. Okay. Sunil, Sumadhi, and Sundari. So old share, old ratio 3:3:4. So old share 3/10 total share. 3/10, 4/10. Now gaining share. Entire by Sunil. So who is retiring? Sundari retires. Okay. That will be added along with the gaining share. How much is his share? 4/10. Now we will calculate the new share. New share is equal to, what is the formula? Old share plus gained share. Gained share. Okay. So for Sunil only taking everything. Okay. So 3/10 plus the Sundari's share 4/10. So Sumati already only 3/10. Okay, is to your right. Now next step. LCM same only, 3 plus 4. Here 3/10. So 7/10 is to 3/10. So what is the ratio? New ratio? New ratio is equal to 7:3. Very simple. Okay. So you complete these 3 problems. Okay, students? 6, 7, 8. We will do the remaining in the next class. Okay. Thank you, students.